In today's tutorial, we're diving into some of the Excel's most powerful lookup functions, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP. If you have ever found yourself struggling to search through large datasets, these functions are a game changer. So let's get started. Okay, first up, let's talk about the VLOOKUP, and which stands for vertical lookup. This function is ideal when your data is organized in vertical columns. You can use it to search for a value in the first column and return a related value from a different column in the same row. Okay, so here is the syntax of VLOOKUP. So here, if I type here the VLOOKUP, the first argument is the lookup value. So, and the table array and the column index number, then the range lookup. So let's break it down. Okay, and the first one is the lookup value. It means this is the value you want to search for or search for. In our example, we are looking for a specific employee ID and the table array, the range of cells that contains both the values you are searching for and the data you want to return. And the next argument is the column index number, the column number from which you want to return the value. For example, if the name is in the second column, you would use the 2. Okay, and the next one is the range lookup. Also, these two false for an exact match and true for an approximate match. Okay, so let's fill up with this one, and now let's say we are looking for the employee ID, and if I'm going to say 102 first argument, then the table array, so I will use the like A1 to B6 over here, and the next one is the column index number for the 2 because you are looking for the name, and then let's say the false for the exact match, and just press the enter and boom, so we got the result like according to the employee's ID. Here we got the employee's name, so we get the with the VLOOKUP. And next up is the HLOOKUP, or we can say the horizontal lookup. Okay, so this HLOOKUP is similar to VLOOKUP but works with data organized in horizontal rows instead of columns. Okay, so the syntax is, if I show you, almost identical to VLOOKUP with the HLOOKUP. So let's go with the first argument is the lookup value. So the value you are searching for is the table array. Next one, the range of cells with the row you want to search and the data you want to return. And the next argument is the column row index number, the row number from which to return the value. Remember, this is the row related to your data range. And the last one is the range lookup. Again, true for an approximate and false for an exact match. Okay, for example, let's find the salary of January in our data set. So for that, let's say use the parentheses, then let's say the January, and we are going to say over here the January, let's use the, and the next one or the next argument is the table array. So let's say A2, 3 over here, or you can use from here, or let's select over here. And the next one is we're looking for the row index number, or we're looking for the sales data or sales. So let's do with the second row. So let's use the 2, and the last one is we're going to use the false for the exact match. Close it, and by entering this formula we can see the sales for January, or here we have the 2, but if I use this is the 3, let's use it. So here it comes with the sales data. Okay, so and now let's talk about the XLOOKUP, the newest and most versatile of the 3 functions. Okay, XLOOKUP is designed for replace both VLOOKUP and also the HLOOKUP. It works both vertically and horizontally, and it has additional features to make your life easier. So here is the syntax, and if I type here with the equal, then let's use the XLOOKUP. The first argument is the lookup value. Okay, so let's break it down also, and like this is what you want to search for, like in the other functions. And the next one is the lookup array, the range where Excel will look for the lookup value. And the next one is, we can just say the return array, the range from which Excel will return the corresponding values. And the next one is, if not found, this is a new option. You can specify what should happen if no match is found, like displaying a custom message. And the next one is the match mode. So you can choose whether to search for an exact match or a wildcard match. And the last argument is the search mode. It allows you to search from the beginning or the end of the array. Okay, so with the XLOOKUP, you don't need to worry about columns or row numbers like VLOOKUP or the HLOOKUP. So for example, if we are searching for the employee's ID, let's do it the 102. And the next one is, if let's select the lookup array, so we want to use like from here, and the next argument is the return array. So we want to use from the B2, B3 or B6, and we want to use if it is not found, we want to say not found kind of message we want to display. Close it and press on and OK, and it automatically fill the corresponding names, and if not found or no match is found, we got not found. So like here, if I going to say now 106, and we got the results like the not found. Okay, so VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP are great for searching through verticals and horizontal datasets, but they have some limitations, and XLOOKUP is more flexible and powerful options to combine the best of both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, with some added features like ability to return custom message and also searches from any directions. Okay,